Today we're excited to show you how easy it is to start an impromptu whiteboard session with the latest MTR device, the Poly X70. MTR rooms are convenient for one-touch join video conferencing, but the issue is you are now limited to hybrid VC calls. The team at Microsoft have recently introduced Microsoft Whiteboard into the Teams Room device. This has transformed an MTR into a versatile tool for in-person collaborations, workshops, brainstorming, and design sessions, provided as an interactive screen in the meeting room. Let's start a whiteboarding session. The most ingenious ideas often emerge spontaneously. It is important we fit every meeting room with an interactive screen which allows your team to enjoy greater flexibility and collaboration opportunities. We can now quickly and easily introduce virtual participants from inside the whiteboard. People want to use the room that serves them the best. This feature helps bridge the gap between people in the room and those working remotely. Try the Poly X70 and CommBox Classic S4 today. Visit commbox.com.au.